Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott Front left and right coil struts for a Lincoln MKZ CD533 or a Ford Fusion CD391. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle and removing the applicable front wheel. Now disconnect the electrical connection and unhook the wire from the retainer bracket. Next, remove the sway bar end link nut and the wire retainer bracket. Now, disconnect the sway arm link from the shock. Remove the brake line retainer bracket bolt and disconnect the bracket. Now, remove the 3 top mount bolts under the hood. Also, remove the 2 bottom shock mount bolts. Next, separate the bottom shock mount from the wheel carrier and remove the old shock from the vehicle to complete the removal process. During the front shock installation, tighten all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Now, insert the new Arnott shock into the vehicle. Position the wheel carrier between the bottom shock mount. Reinstall the 2 bottom shock mount bolts or nuts and install the 3 provided top mount bolts under the hood. Next, reattach the brake line retainer clip and reconnect the sway arm link and wire retainer bracket to the shock. Then tighten the nut to the manufacturer's specifications. Now, hook the wire to the retainer bracket and connect the electrical connection. Then reinstall the applicable front wheel and lower the vehicle to complete the installation. Thank you for following our guide on installing the new Arnott Front right and left coil struts. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.